Ready to launch your dream business, but wondering if there's a better way to get started than with ZenBusiness? You've probably heard about ZenBusiness, their free LLC formation offer, their promises of simplicity, and maybe even seen their ads pop up. They're a popular choice, and for good reason. They make the initial steps of business formation incredibly accessible. But is accessible always best? Today, we're diving deep beyond the surface level to explore what truly matters when setting up your business and why ZenBusiness, while good, might not be the absolute perfect fit for everyone. We're going to uncover hidden costs, explore different priorities, and shine a spotlight on some fantastic alternatives that might just be a better match for your unique entrepreneurial journey. Think about it, starting a business is a huge step. It's not just about filling out a few forms. It's about setting a solid foundation, ensuring long-term compliance, and getting the right support as you grow. If you choose the wrong partner for this crucial first stage, it could lead to headaches, unexpected expenses, or even missed opportunities down the line. That's why this isn't just a comparison. It's a guide to empowering you to make the smartest decision for your future business. Now, ZenBusiness certainly has its strengths. They offer a free basic LLC formation service. You just pay state fees, which is a massive draw for budget-conscious entrepreneurs. Their platform is generally user-friendly, guiding you through the process with clear instructions. They also include a free year of registered agent service with their basic package, which is a significant value. And their customer support often receives positive reviews for being responsive and helpful. For many, this combination of affordability and ease of use is exactly what they need to get off the ground. However, where ZenBusiness truly distinguishes itself, and where some of its alternatives shine even brighter, is in the details, the ongoing services, and the specific needs of diverse business models. Let's peel back the layers. One common point of contention with ZenBusiness, despite their initial free offering, can be the upsells. While they get you in the door with a compelling free offer, many of the truly essential features, like obtaining an employer identification number (IN) from the IRS, comprehensive compliance services beyond the first year, or a business operating agreement, often come at an additional cost. These costs can quickly add up, sometimes negating the initial savings. For example, while getting an EIN from the IRS is free if you do it yourself, ZenBusiness might charge you for that convenience. This isn't necessarily a deal breaker for everyone, but it's crucial to be aware of what you're truly getting and what you'll likely need to pay extra for as your business matures. So, if ZenBusiness isn't the be-all and end-all, what are the alternatives, and who are they best for? Let's explore some top contenders. First up, Northwest Registered Agent. If privacy and top-tier customer support are your absolute priorities, Northwest is often cited as the gold standard. Unlike some other services, Northwest places a strong emphasis on protecting your personal information. They use their own address on public documents whenever possible, safeguarding your privacy. Their customer service is also highly lauded, with what they call corporate guides, experienced US-based support agents who provide personalized assistance. You get to speak to the same person, building a relationship and ensuring continuity of support, which can be invaluable for complex questions or ongoing compliance needs. While their basic package might have a higher upfront cost than ZenBusiness's free option, it often includes a free year of registered agent service and an operating agreement, which are often add-ons elsewhere. For those who value a truly human, personalized approach and robust privacy features, Northwest is a strong contender. Next, consider Inc. Authority. This service truly champions the free model. Inc. Authority offers completely free LLC or corporation formation, including a free year of registered agent service. They often stand out because they include an EIN and a business email address with their free package, services that ZenBusiness typically charges for. For entrepreneurs on a very tight budget who want to minimize upfront costs and still get essential tools, Inc. Authority is a highly attractive option. However, similar to ZenBusiness, some users have reported frequent upsells during the sign-up process, so be prepared to navigate those. But if you're disciplined and know exactly what you need, Inc. Authority can be incredibly cost-effective. Then there's LegalZoom. This is arguably the most well-known name in online legal services, and for good reason. LegalZoom offers a comprehensive suite of legal solutions beyond just business formation. While they might be perceived as pricier than some competitors, they provide access to a vast network of legal experts and an extensive library of legal documents and resources. If your business has more complex legal needs, or if you anticipate needing ongoing legal advice beyond formation, LegalZoom's expertise and broader service offerings could be a significant advantage. They also offer a free basic LLC formation package, similar to ZenBusiness, though their registered agent services and other add-ons can increase the total cost. The key differentiator here is their deep dive into legal support, making them ideal for those who want legal guidance readily available. Don't forget Bizz, formerly Inkfile. Bizz is another excellent option for budget-conscious entrepreneurs. Offering free LLC formation, you just pay the state fee. They also include a free year of registered agent service, which is a great perk. Bizz is known for its fast processing times and transparent pricing structure. What sets them apart is their commitment to providing lifetime company alerts, helping you stay on top of compliance deadlines, which can be a huge relief for new business owners. If you're looking for a no-frills, efficient, and affordable service with good compliance reminders, Bizz could be your perfect match. Finally, let's talk about Tailor Brands. This platform is a fantastic choice for entrepreneurs who want to integrate their business formation with branding. Tailor Brands isn't just about setting up your LLC. It also offers a comprehensive suite of branding tools, including a logo maker, website builder, and digital business card creation. For those who want to establish a strong brand identity right from the get-go, this all-in-one solution can save time and effort. While their pricing structure can be a bit more opaque upfront, the value comes from the bundled branding services. If your vision extends beyond just legal formation to creating a cohesive brand presence, Tailor Brands is definitely worth a closer look. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.